Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris. I just got this huge box right here. It's pretty heavy too. Right on my front porch in the middle of the snow. It's snowing out, it's cold out, I'm wearing my fuzzy hat, it's comfy. And I started to open this and I said, you know what? I should probably do a video for you guys to show you guys what's in there. So I've already cut the tape, and when I first got to it, I said, I gotta make a video because look at this. What is this? It's like this big box. It's like, I feel like it's the beginning of a creep show. There's probably something way less sinister and something really good. I've got a big wooden black box. I mean, this is, if ever there was a time to do what's in the box, this is it.
Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
All right, now that we got that out of the way, we're gonna open it. Some dramatic music playing in the background. Got a mask. Ben and Jerry's. I always like the stuff they send me. Look at this. A nice quality metal ice cream scooper, like a mini one. You don't want the big thing of it. You just want to snack on just a little bit. There you go. Looks like we got a t-shirt in here. Well, it's a little big for me, but maybe I should start wearing larges or extra larges. I know my rights. I know my rights. The right to eat ice cream. I know my rights, know your rights. Looks like that's, he's got a green face. Is he turning into the Incredible Hulk? It's Colin Kaepernick. What do we got here? What do we got? What's in here? Is this like the lost treasure? Ben and Jerry's. So we got a cylinder within a box, and then we have a box within inside a box. There's a poster in there. So somebody spray painted this. It's artwork. I know my rights. I wonder if Ben did this or was it Jerry? I don't think there's anything actually in this. It's not real, but it sounds real. We'll find out. There's their caution sign for the dry ice, and there it is. Oh, that's frozen. That's really cold. The brand new vegan Change the World. So it's got the vegan certification right there on it. It's hard to read because it's all frozen over, but it's caramel with fudge chips, graham cracker swirls, and chocolate cookie swirls. All vegan. And I think it's an almond base. So be on the lookout because this will probably be in stores soon. Well, that's it. Oh, you want me to try it? Yeah, we can do that. Okay, here we go. We're gonna try this. All right, here we go. This is that's what it looks like. It's like hard as a rock. It's frozen solid right now, so I'm gonna have to let that thaw out a little bit before we try it. So I will see you guys in a little bit. All right, well, it's been a few hours and I think it's thawed out enough to try it. So let's go ahead. Open that top. Again, there it is. Looks good. And I'm just gonna dig right in. Yep, it's thawed out enough. There we go. That's what it looks like. There's chunks of cookie and caramel and graham cracker. So the Ben & Jerry ice cream, it just keeps getting better and better. This is so good. One of my favorite ice creams is the Netflix and Chilled, and this is right up there with them. It's really good. Let's get another piece of that. Let's get a piece of the cookie there. The base that it's in, the almond ice cream, it's really good. I definitely recommend it. Oh wait, so I was wrong. It's not the almond base, it's the sunflower milk. And that's the base of it. So that was the same as the last time we did a review on these. I think I did that review with No Egg Craig. Based on my taste test, it's approved. It's up there with one of the best ice creams. And again, I think Ben & Jerry's keeps delivering some really good tasting vegan ice cream. So now they have, I don't even know how many they have. I think they have probably over 20 different flavors, or close to it at least. And This one's up there, the Netflix and chilled, and even the exclusive one that they have at Target. I think it's like chocolate salted swirled or something like that. I highly recommend those. Check them out. If you see them, pick them up. Say non-dairy. Make sure you don't mix them up with the dairy version of it. And these will have the little V for vegan on there. So those are my thoughts on it. I wish I had more people to try this out for you in this video. Oh, wait a minute. Rachel! Oh, there you are. Hey, I was thinking that maybe your answer would be yes, but do you want to try some ice cream?
Yes.
Okay, so we have the new Colin Kaepernick's Change the World. How's that sound?
Sounds great.
All right, well, I already
see a graham cracker already on the front.
already bit into it a little bit, but I've got this nice
Oh, we got the Ben
Netflix
Jerry's.
and chilled Ben and Jerry's spoon. I forgot I had these. There you
with
go. Try it. Get a nice scoop
Yeah,
of
so
whatever
I
you
want-
want.
I want everything
It's
in it.
got cookies and fudge and graham cracker swirl, and it's a sunflower milk base. What do you think? What do you think?
Oh, really good.
Real good. It's
Oh,
real good. Yeah. So it's not just me, guys. It's her too.
Well, just like there's more in it.
This is all that's in it right there.
Oh, caramel.
Now that it's defrosted, I can probably read it better. It's again caramel fudge chips. You can taste those. The graham cracker swirl. I actually used the graham cracker swirl when I made my very own ice cream at the Ben and Jerry's facility a couple years ago. And also
Chocolate cookie swirl.
chocolate cookie swirl to go on there. And that's what it looks like.
That's
So, all right. Well, there you have it. I think there's going to be another package coming because this delivery box over here, look at that. It says shipment 1 of 2. So that makes me believe that there's another one on the way.
Oh.
More ice cream? I don't know. But if you like this video, definitely a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you in the next video. This is mine.